welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we fitted another StarLine i96 on a 2019 Range Rover Vogue. Forget about the headlight fault. Customer had a slight accident on the front. They repaired it and they haven't repaired it properly. But we'll show you how the actual StarLine works. At the moment I've got the tag within the vehicle with the battery taken out, which is a secondary form of disarm. The first is obviously using a push sequence. So I'm going to turn on the ignition, try and start it. See, the vehicle won't start. There you go, it won't start. So now every time you jump in the vehicle, ignition on, put your code in, receive a melody, there you go, start your vehicle. Really clever, really straightforward. When you turn off the ignition, it automatically turns itself on. So now what we're going to do is I'm actually going to put the Bluetooth battery back in, and then we're just going to basically turn on the ignition. You'll hear it disarm automatically. And you can also do this with a phone, but we're not actually going to do that on this video now. So I'm actually going to turn it off, put the battery back in the tag, and show you the disarm procedure with the tag present. So now, battery is now in the tag. If I now turn on the ignition, you'll actually just hear the melody straight away. There you go, just start your vehicle. Really clever, really straightforward. So there's two ways of disarming. Push button disarm, or tag being present, or pair your phone up. Also, it comes with a card that should you smash your phone, forget your PIN and lose your tag, as long as you've got this card present, there is a code on the back here which we can't see, and that will show you a disarm procedure to go back into learn mode. Hope you found this video helpful. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 028 906 0478, 028 906 0478. Thank you, bye bye.